This YouTube channel tells dark psychological stories and harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to capture the attention of millions of viewers. It has exploded in popularity, growing from 0 to over 500,000 subscribers in less than 4 months. These videos are truly captivating. So I've decided to create a tutorial on dark psychological short films, revealing all my secret methods. Why should you learn how to make these videos? Well, this channel brings in an incredible amount of money. Dark manipulation generates around $12,000 per month. How are we going to do this? We'll be using artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, or Midjourney, ElevenLabs, Runway. And finally, we'll put it all together with some editing in CapCut. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more similar content, and let's move on to the step-by-step guide. The first step is script generation, and I'll show you 2 ways to get it. So the first option is to go to ChatGPT and simply enter, "Create a script for short YouTube videos about dark psychology and manipulation techniques." And here's your script for the video. If there's anything you don't like about what it has created, just try again. The second method is a bit controversial, but likely guarantees you views. So, you go and find a video that has really performed well, for instance. On the Dark Manipulation channel, click on Short Videos, then on Popular to get the most popular one. Say it has over 9 million views. Copy the URL and go to DubDub to create a free account. Next, on the home page, you will find a transcription section, and then you need to paste the video link there. And it actually transcribes the video and gives you the script. You just copy the text and then go to ChatGPT and paste the script here. Then you simply ask, can this be rephrased? So they slightly change the script. In this way, it's not literally stealing, but they take the general content and storyline. So choose the one you're most comfortable with. I'm just here to show you ideas, examples, and ways to create a script. Now, we need to create images. And for that, we'll be using Midjourney. You can use Leonardo AI. It's free. In one of the previous videos on the channel, I explain a simple guide for beginners in Midjourney. Okay, next, we can actually use ChatGPT to write questions for creating images using Midjourney. So all you need to do is literally under the storyline you've pasted, ask ChatGPT if it can generate a list of questions for creating images using Midjourney. They all should involve people or humanoid mysterious figures and should represent manipulation, psychology, and dark themes. I only need 5 images, and you will be provided with a list of questions that also align with the storyline, so it's very convenient. Then, you're ready to open Midjourney and start pasting your questions there. And, as you can see, it gave us something quite good but makes a few mistakes. You can try again. This is just a tutorial after all. So, I'll download all the images I like. Now, let's animate these images to take our video to the next level. We'll use Runway for this. Go to Runway, click on Image to Video, right here, increase the settings to 10. Next, click Upload a file right here and upload the first image. Wait for it to upload, then click Generate. Repeat the process for each image. Look at this. Now, we have animated images within a few seconds. And now, upload all of them. Our frame is ready. Now it's time to generate voiceovers. And for that, we'll use ElevenLabs. Let me show you how to do it. Go to Voices, then Explore to get a deep voice for your short videos. Then click on Narrative and Story and try to find those with the deep icon. Click on Add to Voice Lab and press Add Voice. Then Finish. Now go back to Speech. Choose the voice you selected and paste the text given by ChatGPT. Then click Generate. It will generate your voiceover in a few seconds. Okay guys, stay with me. Now we have everything we need to create the video. I'll be using CapCut for editing these videos. It's free video editing software. You can simply download it on your mobile or computer, start a new project, Click and upload all the necessary files and drag them all onto the timeline. And don't forget to select the format for YouTube Shorts, which is a 9:16 aspect ratio. Next, we need to add some cool transitions. Go to Transition in the top menu and look for glitch transitions, then add them. Just drag them onto the timeline and place them right between two videos. Make sure you've gone through all the transitions and selected the ones you like. After that, add transitions between all the videos. Now let's also add some video effects. Adding different types of video effects will give the viewer different sensations. After that, we need to add captions. CapCut has a feature that can automatically generate captions. Go to Text and select Auto Captions. Then choose English as the language and Generate. This will generate captions in a few seconds. Then you can edit them as you wish. I'll make the text size bigger and apply this template to it. Edit these texts in an interesting way. It's entirely up to you. After that, you can add background music to this video. Now we've completed the video creation process. Click Export. Make sure to upload at least 4 videos every day. Consistency is one of the key elements of success on YouTube. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you liked the video. See you in the next video. Now let's see how our video turned out.
Maintaining eye contact with someone's lips during a conversation can create the impression of genuine interest. Conversely, directing your gaze to their forehead may evoke feelings of intimidation and insecurity. When seeking to make someone believe a falsehood rather than offering an apology, incorporate a personal, embarrassing detail. This diversionary tactic can effectively steer the focus away from the lie. Instead of simply saying, "I'm sorry," when acknowledging a mistake or a delay, express gratitude for the other person's patience. This strategy shifts the attention away from the error and recognizes their understanding. When faced with a decision dilemma, consider flipping a coin. However, the real insight lies in the moment the coin is airborne. Often, you'll realize your true preference. Trust your instincts regardless of the coin's outcome. To navigate situations where you want to go unnoticed, exude confidence when entering or exiting a place. Walk with purpose, avoiding hesitation or furtive glances. More often than not, this approach discourages questioning and facilitates a discreet exit.